All right, boys and girls, so I wanted to do a quick little video kind of going over the painting a wall task. Reminder, there's actually 2 questions on this problem, so let's take a look at it. So Nico is helping to paint a wall at a park near his house as part of a community service project. He had painted half of the wall yellow when the park director walked by and said, "Oh, this wall is supposed to be painted red." Nico immediately started painting over the yellow portion of the wall. By the end of the day, he had repainted 5/6 of the yellow portion red. So we know that he started off painting it and he got half of the wall painted yellow before he realized, oh my gosh, I made a mistake. And the park director told him, and now he went back over and repainted 5/6 of the 1/2. So we can tell right there that we have a multiplication problem. So what fraction of the entire wall is painted red at the end of the day? Use pictures, equations, and or words to show your thinking. If I'm going to use this picture, first thing I would do is to go ahead and insert a column. So now I have 2, and I would paint that in, I would actually probably paint it yellow. So there I go ahead. I can always resize, boys and girls, to kind of help with that. So now I have half of my wall painted yellow, and now, oops, I realized there's a mistake, so I would have to go ahead and 5/6. So I'm going to do my horizontals, and I'm going to go ahead and put 6 in. So I'm going to insert a row, and remember I can always kind of fix that. Scroll up a little bit there. There we go. Even go up a little bit higher. There, and we can continue to insert the row below. So now I have thirds, fourths, fifths, and 6. So there you go. And I know that 5/6 of that would now be painted with the red, or I could go ahead and actually put in, to make it really easy, I'm going to put in R's, meaning that they're red now. I could also paint, color it in red, whatever's going to work for you. All right. That's 4/6, and there's 5/6. So that would be my picture, and I know my expression would be 5/6 times 1/2, and what would that equal? So that would be the first question. Then if we scroll down here, it says, now that you know how much of the wall is painted red, what fraction of the wall is left for Nico to paint red? So this is going to tell you how much of the wall is painted red, and you would have to subtract this from the whole number 1. I'm not going to do it for you because I feel like you guys are more than capable of doing this, but I just figured this might be a good helper if you needed it. So please take a look at this if you need some math help today. All right, I can't wait to see what you do.